Hello again, cyberspace. Mr. O here, solving one-step multiplication equations. But before we begin, let us remind ourselves that to solve any equation, no matter how complicated the equation, involves undoing what is happening to the variable. In this equation, we have 3x equals 51. And we understand that when we have a number next to the variable, that this means multiply. So I'm multiplying the variable by 3. What is the opposite of multiplying by 3? Dividing by 3. And we are going to show dividing by 3 as a fraction. So I have to do this to both sides of the equation. On the left side, I will show myself dividing 3x by 3. On the right side of the equation, I will also show myself dividing 51 by 3. I will bring down an equal sign directly below my first equal sign, and I'll ask, what is 3 divided by 3? Well, 3 divided by 3 is 1, because we know 1 times anything divided by itself is 1, and 1 times x is x. On the right side, I have 51 divided by 3. I will come over to the side here and remind myself quickly. How many times does 3 go into 5? Well, it goes in once. 1 times 3 is 3. If I subtract 3 from 5, I have 2, and I bring down my 1. How many 3's go into 21? Well, 7 do. 7 times 3 is 21. Equals 0. I'm at the end here. So 51 divided by 3 is 17. The variable is by itself. I have my solution. The question is my solution correct? Let's check and find out. The first step I do is I copy down my equation, and then I will replace, oops, that's 51, not 15, a little dyslexia going on. I will replace the variable with the value that I had in the solution. So this becomes 3 times 17. Does that equal 51? On the right side, there's nothing left to simplify, so I go ahead and include this. On the left side, I have 3 times 17. Well, what is 17 times 3? 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 17 times 3 is 51. 3 times 17 is 51. Notice that both sides of my check match, as well as it matches the value in my original equation. This lets me know that my solution, x equals 17, is true for the equation 3x equals 51. Yay, I am done. Here's Mr. O reminding you, practice doesn't make perfect, but perfect practice builds confidence. So go out and dominate those one-step equations.